All right. I am so scared, you know, because I'm trying this new microphone that I recently bought thanks to my friends over on Patreon. Listen, before I was gonna say what I was gonna say, I'm just gonna say that I want to thank all my Patreons because you helped me buy this microphone that is my own. Because I used to use a borrowed one, the other one, and now I have my own. Thank you so much. So I want to dedicate this video to all of you guys on Patreon. This is for you. This is for you. This is thanks to you. And thank you so much. I'm scared and insecure because it's a new microphone, and even though I already tried it, this is the first time that I'm actually going to film with it, and it has to be connected to the computer. So over there you can see it's recording live, and I just want everything to go well, because if something, even if it's minimal, doesn't go well, I'm gonna cry. I am this close to crying, okay? So
Little did she know, everything was going to go wrong.
listen, during the filming of this video, I accidentally deleted what I had recorded. What is this intro? Listen, I'm so sorry. If you are new here, I also got some cool LED lights for my background, and it's also thanks to you guys. So thank you so much. Listen, today we are going to watch Rambo 2, okay? We already watched First Blood, and it was a very interesting movie. So yeah, let's see what's gonna happen in part 2. Let's roll it. We start the movie with an explosion. Okay. Something tells me this movie is gonna be more bang bang bang, boom 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 than the previous one. Are we in prison? Oh yeah, because they took Rambo at the end of the first movie.
Let's go.
Troutman.
The covert operation's being geared up in the Far East. Your name was dug out by the computer as one of 3 most able to complete the mission. Recon for POWs in Nam. The risk factor is very high. You'd be temporarily reinstated in the forces, and if the mission's successful, there may be a presidential pardon.
Maybe.
You interested?
You are, Rambo. You are.
Yeah. Good. I'll get the necessary clearance. The next time we meet, it'll be in Thailand with the Special Ops designate who haunts the operation.
He's going back east to relive his trauma.
Do we get to win this time?
This time it's up to you.
Listen, in the first movie, they made me care so much about this character and his mental well-being. I'm just worried about how this is going to affect him, James Cameron made the screenplay? What? Alongside Stallone, of course. So now my expectations went really far up with this.
Rambo, you're probably aware that there's almost 2,500 Americans still missing in action in Southeast Asia. Now, most of these boys are presumed killed, but to the League of Families, Congress, and lots of Americans, it's still a very emotional issue.
Of course.
So what his committee needs is conclusive proof that Americans are being held.
And once done, rest assured we'll get our men back. Now, if there's any of our men at this POW target camp, you're to confirm their presence by taking photographs.
Photographs?
Just photographs. Under no circumstances are you to engage the enemy.
He's just going to take photos? I don't believe this is why they brought him here.
Do not engage the enemy. The Phase 2 Delta Force assault team led by Colonel Troutman will handle the extraction.
These are lies. These are lies.
Anyway, I'd just like to say that I feel with your participation, this mission has
Why would they bring this killing machine from the other side of the world to just take pictures? What? Oh, he is so going to engage with the enemy. What is that? What am I look? What? Oh, it's an arm. Okay.
Think you'll find someone?
POWs? Doubtful. But there's people to satisfy. Questions that have to be answered.
You don't sound too emotional about it.
Wasn't my war, Colonel. Just here to clean up the mess.
Not a care in the world with this guy. He looks worried. I think there's something else going on.
5 seconds. 4, 3, 2.
1.
Jumper away.
1. What happened? Oh, he's stuck? Oh, come on. This is how we are starting out this mission.
Nothing can possibly go wrong.
He's hung up.
What do you mean he's hung up? What happened?
He's being dragged. Lifer, cut him loose.
I can't free him!
Don't you have like a knife or something that you can use to cut the strap?
Erickson, abort the mission. Pull out!
It'll kill him. He'll be torn apart.
He's cutting away his equipment!
Oh my god.
He's out!
Cavalier, this is Dragonfly 1. Do you read? Over.
Dragonfly 1. Come in.
What the f was that? Well, if he jumped from a dam in the first movie and he only got a scratch, I trust that he's well, alive and well. See, there he is. Not even a scratch this time. But listen, I want to see another stitching wound scene like in the first movie. That was so good. They're following him. Maybe it's just a worker of the fields.
Rambo!
Oh, she knows him.
Ông định còn đứng nhá.
What?
Tôi đang ăn là một trong những tay kia còn lại đấy.
Looked at me.
Oh, he speaks Thai.
Did not expect a woman, no.
Oh, she's the person he was supposed to meet, but I don't remember her name. Ko something. I'm so sorry.
You come a long way, Rambo, to see empty camps.
Wait, is this a love interest? Is this movie going to have a love interest?
Cảm ơn làm hiếu hắc của đại lý.
I see that he's very defensive of his surroundings, and I don't blame him. You know, everything he went through.
How you get into this?
It's a long story.
Long ride.
He has the scar from the first movie. I love that wound. I had to say it twice. Look at that blood flow. Oh my god. I wanted to see more of that. I'm not gonna lie.
Why you leave army?
I came back to the States and found there was another war going on.
Yeah.
War against all the soldiers returning. It's the kind of war you don't win.
If she's not a love interest, I'm glad that this franchise is giving him a friend.
It's too much death here. Death everywhere. Just want to live, Rambo. Maybe go America. Live the quiet life.
Oh no, is she gonna die? Oh no, I don't like it when characters talk about their dreams in the middle of the movie. No, it's the kiss of death.
Not so easy to survive. Still war here.
Survive a war, you gotta become war.
That why they pick you? Because you like to fight?
You kind of do, Rambo. You kind of do.
I'm expendable.
What mean expendable?
He says that about himself.
It's like if someone invites you to a party and you don't show up, it doesn't really matter.
Yeah, oh no. Oh no.
What is this?
They bring me good luck. What bring you good luck?
Well, yeah.
I guess this.
We should give this knife a name. Such an iconic knife.
Cyclo girl whore from village.
Cyclo girl whore? Whore on wheels? That's kind of cool. What is his specific plan? Like, is he actually going to take the pictures or is he just going to start killing people? Oh my god. Dude. Come on, take the pictures. I cannot believe he didn't take the pictures. Oh, wow.
Cut the picture out.
Jesus Christ. But I mean, I would have to be too innocent to believe that the other side isn't doing the same thing, you know?
All day.
Is he going to use all the weapons? All the weapons that exist in this installment? They found her! Ooh. Silent and quick.
Let's go. Good thing you came when you did.
Why is that?
They move us around a lot, harvesting crops. Only been there a week. When was the last time you were in that camp? A year. Yeah. What year is it anyway? 1985.
Huh, his face, my god. Are those his horseshoes? No way. He didn't take a picture, but he took one of the prisoners, so I think that's proof enough. They're coming.
What has happened?
We sold out.
Oh no! What the f? Damn, that sounded loud. Wow. Dang. Love to see it. And just like that, a horrible situation was solved. And they say violence doesn't solve anything. That poor man, the prisoner, he cannot swim. He's too weak. They're gonna make him swim like 50 miles. How much is 50 miles? Yes! Yes! How many were there? That boat was packed. Come on. Oh, wow.
You made it, Rambo!
You take this. We go on from here.
You better I stay till end.
This is the end. Come on, let's go.
Rambo, you're not expendable.
Yeah, he needs to hear that. And I don't think we are seeing the last of her yet. My God, that guy. Please be careful with him. They're gonna blow them up. Oh my God, now he has to run. I can't. My God, Jesus Christ.
That's Rambo! Christ, he's found one.
Now he has to climb. Oh my God.
Mr. Murdoch, Dragonfly reports the ground crew has what appears to be an American POW with him. They've got one of ours.
Dragonfly, this is Coach 1. This is an Alpha Kilo Victor command priority. I want you to abort the mission immediately. I say again, this...
Abort? Why?
Murdoch! Murdoch, for Christ's sake, we've got him in sight! Murdoch, you read!
They can't.
Come on! We're going down! We're not going anywhere.
They are.
You goddamn mercenaries.
Motherfucker.
There, our men!
No, your men. Don't be a hero.
Your men? Your? Ah, I see. Imagine that. That prisoner, I bet right now he's like, listen, I was better hanging from that stick back there in the camp. Can we go back? Oh my God, now they are both prisoners. But she can help, maybe. They are going to torture the out of them.
It was a lie, wasn't it? Just like the whole damn war. It was a lie.
And what was the point?
That camp was supposed to be empty. Rambo goes in, a decorated vet. He finds no POWs. The Congress buys it, case closed. And if he happens to get caught, nobody knows he's alive except you and your computers. And you can reprogram that, can't you?
Okay.
Oh, Troutman, I still don't think you understand what this is all about.
The same as it always is. Money. In 72, we were supposed to pay the Kong $4.5 billion in war reparations. We reneged. They kept the POWs. And you're doing the same thing all over again.
What the hell would you do, Troutman? Pay blackmail money to ransom our own men and finance the war effort against our allies? You think somebody's going to get up on the floor of the United States Senate and ask for billions of dollars for a couple of forgotten ghosts?
Men, goddammit! Men who fought for the country. That's enough!
Exactly.
I'm going to forget this conversation ever took place.
He's the offended one.
Bastard.
Yes.
And if I were you, I'd never make the mistake of bringing this subject up again.
You're the one who's making the mistake.
Yeah, what mistake?
Rambo.
Well, yeah. His last mistake, probably. This is so ugly, by the way. This is so ugly. Wow. Wow. So he was just a puppet. Rambo was... What is that? Oh no, this again. They put him back in his drama again. Wow. Ko is the only one who can help him at this point.
Bring him out.
And he's naked.
None.
Oh.
These people are so vulgar in their methods. They lack compassion. I am Lieutenant Colonel Protovsky. I do not know who you are yet, but I will. Take him and clean him up.
This sadistic sons of off the leeches of his body, come on. They're gonna question him? Well, makes sense. Poor Rambo, oh my god. This again.
All right.
Is she gonna pretend she's a... Wait, oh no, this is the... Okay, no, sorry, I thought it was Ko. Oh, it is! Listen, I don't think I would be capable of doing this, but respect to her.
Comrade, here is something that might be of interest to you. Transcript of the conversation between your helicopter pilot and his commander. We intercepted.
They did?
We have them in sight. And the reply, abort the operation immediately. This is a recall. Confirmed. Over!
This is emotional and physical torture.
And these are the people you protect with your pain. You may scream. There is no shame.
Just the way it sounds. They're frying him.
You are strong. Very strong. But you're nearly dead. For what? Make the radio call.
Oh, yes. Yes. Perfect.
Talk to obey would be so much easier.
Oh, not this guy. Please leave this guy alone. Mother of God. Oh, no, please, not the chest again. His face.
Put it in his eye.
No. Whose eye?
If your life means nothing to you, then perhaps his does.
Don't tell them anything.
You will talk.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Holy
What you not a show?
22056, Lone Wolf. Receive. This is Lone Wolf.
It's Rambo, sir.
Receive.
We read you, Lone Wolf. What is your position? Over?
I say again, what is your position? Over.
Your friend dies if you do not answer.
Johnny, this is Troutman. Where the hell are you?
I imagine they suspect where he is, right? The only thing they don't know is that the Russians are there.
Murdoch, I'm coming to get you.
Oh, yes. Yes. But is he gonna take this whole camp down? I'm not sure. They don't know where they're going. I hope they make it somewhere. And I really like her. She's cool.
You hurt bad.
It's alright.
Oh, they are so going to fall in love.
Listen, what you did back there, I won't forget it.
Yeah, she went back for him when his government didn't want to. Damn.
What do you do now? Go America?
Yeah.
You take me with you?
She moves fast. Okay.
You take me?
And I don't blame her for wanting to leave her country because of the war, you know. See, I knew it. I knew it. Why can't we have nice things?
Rambo,
Yeah. Yeah.
you not forget me.
No. No.
Are you serious? She didn't have a lot of screen time, but in that short amount of time, she showed that she was loyal, brave, cool. She had plans for her life. That sucks. That sucks. Oh, he's doing the Russians now. I see he's perfecting his method. I see that he's getting more artistic with his killings. But how, I mean, Rambo, how are you gonna accomplish this? Exactly. No support. There's like 300 of them. I mean, I'm rooting for him, but how is this gonna happen? Do not mess with the chicken, please. Oh, he killed the chicken. Great idea. Yes. I hope the villagers are safe. It's gonna blow his face up. Wow, that was spectacular. Damn. They came back? Or are those the Russians? Oh, okay, they are. Wow. Careful. Oh my god. Oh, he decided to jump. Oh, the rocks. I guess we don't get to see the splash. Jesus Christ. Why am I laughing at that? Who have I become? See, now I can see him taking this whole camp down. He should be more careful with that. This guy's a one-man army. Wow. There he is. Come on. Oh no. They cannot go any faster than that. Wow. Evilness knows no boundaries. Yeah, I'm happy for them. Oh my god. Dude, not even their country, well, their government wanted to save them. They would have died there. And I'm sure this happens in real life. Oh my god, what can they do? A helicopter chase. First time in my life I see this. They're going down. Oh no. Where are they? Where are they? Is that possible? And does it matter? How did he do that? How did he land the helicopter? Okay. Wow. Wow, that was masterful. But they are still on fire. The tail is still on fire. I don't think they're gonna get too far.
Voltan, this is Lone Wolf. Over.
Yes, we hear you, Lone Wolf. Over.
Prepare for emergency landing. Arrive
Yes.
with American POWs.
Dude, you have to allow it.
You heard! Prepare for arriving POWs! That's one!
Rambo could single-handedly destroy the American government, you know, by exposing them. They are full of smoke. They're asphyxiating in there. Imagine they crashed now after all of that. They're on fire. Oh, he's ready to kill. I mean, I don't think he's going to kill Murdoch, but he's going to do something. He's destroying the whole thing.
Rambo, I don't make the orders. I take them just like you. I swear to God, I didn't know it was supposed to happen like this. It was just supposed to be another assignment.
I didn't know.
Mission accomplished.
Yeah, I knew he wasn't going to kill him.
You know there's more men out there. You know where they are. Find them.
Damn.
Or I'll find you.
That was good. Well said.
John, where are you going?
I don't know.
Yeah, where's he gonna go?
You got second Medal of Honor for this.
He doesn't even know his name. They don't know each other's name.
They deserve it more.
The war, everything that happened here may be wrong, but damn it, don't hate your country for it.
Yeah, I hate the government.
I die for it.
And what is it you want?
I want what they want. And every other guy who came over here and spilt his guts and gave everything he had wants for our country to love us as much as we love it. That's what I want.
How will you live, John?
Day by day.
Oh, don't worry about him. It's gonna be okay. Oh my god. Yet again, another powerful message right at the end of the film. I wonder what the American government thought about this movie when it came out, because it's not a good look. It's such a, I'm gonna say it again, it's such a powerful message. Like, these people are sent out of their country to fight and risk their lives. And then when they come back, they are not rewarded for it. Well, maybe not most of them. The first one was critical of society and the way society treats veterans. And this one refers mostly to the government itself. So yeah, that's good. And it's a great way to give veterans, I think I'm pronouncing veterans wrong, I'm sorry. But it's a great way to give them a platform and a voice, because a lot of people went to watch these movies because of Stallone and the boom boom, bing bing, bang bang, you know? And that, and then they get this important message right at the end. And if you care for Rambo, you're gonna care about people like him. You know, it's a great combination of typical blockbuster action movie, but it's also like, here's a message to think about. Let's be more grateful to ex-soldiers and veterans, you know? Yes, it's like a sandwich that makes you think. You know, there's an idea in there. Listen, during the filming of this video, I accidentally deleted what I had recorded, and I had to, I had like a full mental breakdown, and I almost threw up, After paying 55 euros for an app, I was able to recover the files. So, when you watch this video, just know that I had to pay to be able to make it. But it was my own fault, shit happens. I accidentally, unintentionally deleted the files and the first part that I recorded. And that's why the lighting is different, because it's nighttime now. Okay, I'm gonna wrap this up. Thank you so much if you did watch it. Listen, today I appreciate it a little more than, other days. Please subscribe to the channel if you wanna keep watching more content, if you enjoy me. And thanks again to my Patreons for helping me purchase this equipment. Thank you everybody for watching, because one thing is necessary to have the other. So without my regular viewers, I wouldn't even have a Patreon. So thank you so much everybody. Thank you for tolerating me. Thank you so much. I'm gonna go, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.